Hello. As I promised you, we drove up to the town. Oh, nej, der var okay. Yeah. I don't know if you see it on camera, but we do. It's like 25, 26 different. Whoops. There it is. There it is. There it is. Der er mange, ja. Det er helt vildt. It's insane. Hvor var den, der lige fløj? Hvor var den, der lige fløj?
Hvad siger du?
Hvor var den, der lige fløj?
Lige fløj.
Vent, jeg ved fandme ikke, om det bliver bedre, at man gør sådan der. Ej, det gør det fandme. Just put my sunglass over my camera.
Se den der helt over stadigvæk.
I'm that blonde. Hvad for en?
Derovre, den derovre.
Jeg kan ikke se den.
Se den der?
Mm. Oh, oops. Well, I guess that's it for today. And as I promised my boyfriend, I will just... There he is. Hi, baby. Det er ikke sådan fint. Jeg skal lige vise noget. Hov, den er værd.
Glass roof!
Glass roof! Yay! We can watch all the chemtrails. Ah! Yes. We like. Well, today it's gonna be 25 degrees. And we love it. But I guess we'll stay inside because it doesn't look safe out here. Have a nice day. Bye from me.